Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got the Lisa Frank and Morphe palette. This is such a cute palette. So every 90s babies have to have one of these. These are $30 at Ulta and they still have it in stock, I believe. And this is what it looks like, a heart-shaped mirror and just a colorful, playful palette. Just, it's beautiful. I think it's a must-have, especially if you love color and Lisa Frank. This is a palette you need. It's mostly mattes and a little bit of shimmers, not too much, but mainly mattes. It's just beautiful. And I like how it has the names right under their shades, but you can barely see it. That's just beautiful. So there are 35 shades, so I'm gonna have my phone pick the shades for me. So I got 26, 20, 18. Okay, two more. 32 and 1. So these are the colors. I got Miss Galaxy, Angel Kitty, BLANCA for the white shade. I got this shade, Roxy and Rolly, and Lollipop. So I'm gonna go in with this white shade and just go all over the lid with. I'm gonna go in with this pinkish purple shade, Lollipop, and I'm going in this crease area. Okay, Roxy and Rolly in the outer portion. Notice I didn't get any shimmer, so I might have to add a shimmer, but we'll see. Just going in the crease and in the outer portion. Going in with this blue color, Angel Kitty. Okay. So we're going in just with this outer portion. I'm going in with Miss Galaxy, this green color, with the rest of the eye. Going in with this blue color right here. Outer portion underneath the lashes. Going in with the Lollipop, like the light purple. With the rest of the under eye. I'm gonna go in with this yellow shimmer shade. I don't know what the name is, so I'm not gonna say. And I don't want to butcher it. I'm just gonna go in with it and go in the inner portion, since I want something shimmery to use. Here is the finished look. I really love this palette and the colors. They are so beautiful. I did have to blend a little bit, but nothing fall out on the eyes. I don't see any fallout. In the palette, there wasn't much fallout at all. And a lot of people don't like Morphe formula. I love Morphe formula. So with this palette, and I just love everything about it. But you know, you need to kind of put more onto the eye, but I love it all in all. So here's the final look again. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.